Hey guys, today let us see how to plant Turai at home. We need to soften the outer covering of the seeds, so I'm gonna soak it in water for about 12 to 24 hours. Now they are completely soaked. We can take them out of the water and plant them into the soil. For sowing the seeds, I'm gonna use the paper pots which are eco-friendly. Add some water to it. Here, as you can see, our Turai seeds have sprouted. You can plant 2 to 3 seeds in one pot and make sure the seeds are apart from each other because the roots of Turai grows intensely. Use minimum of 12 inches deep pot. To get more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and keep exploring. Thank you.